This is a review of the Black & Decker cordless lithium dustbuster. And this is what it looks like. So this dustbuster comes with this unit here, and it comes with a charging unit, which is right here. And what this does is clips on in the back, and then you plug it in the wall. The reason why I bought this dustbuster is it's very convenient. It's lightweight, it's small, I don't have to put a cord anywhere, track it all around the house. And I have animals. I have 3 cats and I have a dog. And I don't have any babies, but I still mess around the house. And this picks up, really well. And I just want to show it to you. This here, it's a little tough pulling out. But this extends as well. So this extends, this comes out. Now, this here has a little compartment in the back there where you can clean it out. And what you do is you press here, open it up, and you empty it out. It's got a little filter in there. So this thing is really powerful. It has 2 stages, and I'd like to give you an example of that. And I have some stuff right over here, which I'm going to bring right over here. So we have a combination of breadcrumbs, cat hair, cookies, crackers, cereal. And I just want to show you how it works. So let me give you an example here. And that's how it works. It's fantastic. And it's got a little meter here. It tells you it's 2 or 3. It tells you when it's charged. And what you do is you see all the stuff in here. And to empty it out, you press here. It's all in here. And you can empty it out in the trash can. I give this Black & Decker dustbuster a 5-star because it's got so many advantages. It's lightweight, portable, powerful, picks up everything. And for cat hair around the house and stuff like that, you can't find anything better. So I'm telling you, I love it, and I'm so glad I got it. And that concludes our review of the Black & Decker cordless lithium dustbuster.